Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG soundbar. Naturally, you might have some questions about how to hook it up, to which we respond, how do you want to hook it up? This rear panel gives you a lot of choices. Optical audio connection takes advantage of the digital output provided on more and more televisions. With this hookup, whatever audio is coming through the TV, from a Blu-ray player, a cable box, or any source, can be sent to the soundbar for higher quality reproduction than is typically available over your TV's built-in speakers. Connect the included optical cable to the optical output of the TV, inserting until it clicks into place. Then connect the other end to the optical input of the LG soundbar. On some TVs, you might need to configure the optical port on the TV through the menus to actively output sound, although on LG TVs, this output defaults to active. An optical output is also provided on many DVD players and game consoles if you'd like to connect them directly to the soundbar. The highest quality audio is delivered through an HDMI connection, and that's provided on our NB4530 soundbar. But because HDMI carries the video and audio together over a single cable, this model has both an HDMI in from the source component and then an HDMI output as well to pass the video signal through the TV. Simply connect the HDMI out of the source component to the HDMI in of the soundbar, and then the HDMI output of the soundbar into the television. There's also the NB3730A, our smart soundbar that can connect to the internet and stream online video. So while this model does not have an HDMI input, it does provide an HDMI output to send streaming video and audio to the TV. If you want to enjoy your MP3 or Windows Media Audio music files quickly and easily, you can connect a USB drive directly to the soundbar at this USB port around the back. Upon connection, the soundbar will scan the drive, looking for compatible files. You can control playback with the buttons of the soundbar remote, including play, pause, stop and forward, and backskip, as well as with the buttons on top of the soundbar. Pressing the info button on the remote should also display the track title, or the elapsed time, on the front of the soundbar. And with an optional cable, the 3.5mm mini jack works with the standard headphone jack on any portable device, or even the headphone jack on the TV if one is provided. These are a lot of different connections, and you might wind up using more than one. So to switch between the inputs, use the function buttons on the remote. This will take you from input to input, indicating on the front panel of the soundbar which one is currently selected. There's plenty to choose from, and with the LG soundbar, they will all sound great.